I am an AI clone of Sheldon Sims. This content is AI altered. Most creators in this space have the pre-render checks memorized. Voice sync, background removal, export resolution, those are production layer checks, and they matter, but they are the wrong side of the pipe. Most think the production layer is where the failure happens. It's not. Here is what the data showed on this channel. Shorts hitting 700 views, long form averaging under 5. That is not an algorithm problem. That is a distribution leak, and it is invisible from the production side. The production layer was clean. HeyGen rendered correctly. ClipChamp output was signal tested. Titles were scored. Thumbnails were set. Still, the bridge was not converting. That means the leak is post-publish. In the distribution layer, after the video is already live, most creators stop watching the data here. Operators don't. I ran 3 checkpoints on every active short. What I found is not a creative problem. It is a mechanical problem. And mechanical problems have mechanical fixes. This is about architecture, not inspiration. Let's look at the first fix. Checkpoint 1, the CTA Signal Check. After any short goes live, pull YouTube Studio Analytics. This is the pulse check. Navigate to the cards tab. Find your card click rate. If that number is under 1%, the CTA is not converting. Not because the audience did not watch, because the short resolved its own tension before asking them to move. Here is the operator's rule. A short that wraps cleanly sends no one anywhere. It's a dead end. A short that cuts mid-problem, that is a bridge. Most creators write closing lines. Operators write cliffs. The target signal, card click rate above 2%. Below 1% means the short is a closed loop, no cliff, no bridge, no traffic. The CTA fix is not adding a better call to action. It is removing the resolution. Leave the problem open, end there. When did you last check your card click rate? Not impressions, not views, the actual click. That number tells you everything. That number tells you everything about whether the bridge is working. This video features a virtual avatar. Checkpoint 1 was the CTA Signal Check, card click rate under 1%. The short is a closed system. Here are checkpoints 2 and 3, moving from signal check to retention and mechanics. Checkpoint 2, the Retention Cliff Audit. Pull the retention curve for your short. Find the exact second where viewership drops. That is your cliff. Now find the second where your CTA fires. If the cliff happens before the CTA is talking to an empty room. No views left, no clicks, no bridge. This is the most common failure mode on a channel this size. The short loses 60% of its audience at the 40-second mark. The CTA fires at 50 seconds, 10 seconds of script, 0 audience. The fix is not rewriting the CTA. The fix is moving the cliff earlier. If the drop is at 40 seconds, the unresolved tension needs to hit at 30. Move the breakpoint forward. Make viewers need the answer before they can exit. Operators do not rewrite scripts to fix retention. They move the breakpoint. That is the difference between a short that collects views and a short that moves traffic. Checkpoint 3, the Link Audit. This one is mechanical, no analytics required. Open each active short right now. Click the pinned comment. Does that link point to your most recent long form or to a video that is 2 weeks old? The traffic bridge has a half-life, 48 hours to maximize algorithmic signal. Every short still pointing past that window is not losing views. use. It is redirecting traffic to a dead end. The rule, every new long form resets every short bridge. Set a reminder 48 hours after every long form upload. Update the pinned comment on every active short. This is the most mechanical fix in the distribution layer, and it is the one most operators skip. 3 checkpoints: post-publish, not pre-render, card click rate, retention cliff, and the link audit. Run this every 72 hours. That is the operator's distribution layer. If you made it here, you're already thinking like an operator. Trust the system. I'm Sheldon Sims. I'll see you in the next one.